Hello children, welcome to today's music class. In today's class, our topic is flats. Our topic is flats. A flat is a sign placed beside a note to lower the note in pitch by semitone. Flat is just the opposite of a sharp. It's usually at the back of the white note on the piano and is also measured by semitone. Example, the black note to the left side or at the back of note D, which is the white note on the piano, is D flat. The black key to the left or at the back of E is E flat. That is, each black keys has two letter name, sharp or flat, front or back of a note. So children, that is all for today. Hope you enjoy the class. See you in the next class. Please subscribe to this channel, like and turn on the notification button for more videos like this.